Spend just 2 minutes to learn English easily. Most of the time we spend on social media isn't really useful. Was this video helpful? Drop a like or comment. Label household items. Put English labels on daily objects. Say the names whenever you use them. Daily question practice. Ask yourself one English question daily. Answer in full sentences for fluency. Phone language switch. Change phone settings to English. Learn new words from menus and apps. English diary. Write 5 to 10 sentences about your day. Review weekly to spot mistakes. Voice assistant practice. Use English commands with assistance. Repeat responses to improve clarity. Cooking in English. Follow recipes written in English. Narrate steps aloud while cooking. English news summary. Read short English news daily. Summarize in 2 to 3 sentences. Tongue twisters. Practice fun, tricky lines. Repeat faster to sharpen sounds. Story retelling. Read or watch short stories. Retell them in your own words. Partner with a mirror. Speak English to yourself in mirror. Notice expressions and confidence. English challenges. Set small weekly learning goals. Reward yourself when achieved. Silent thinking. Think in English during routines. Form mental sentences naturally. WhatsApp and Telegram practice. Chat with friends in English. Mix emojis with words for fun. Describe surroundings. Narrate what you see in English. Add details with adjectives.